stand in front of a fan
absolutely
all day long. And Mark Prater, chief meteorologist, out this evening in the heat in Alabaster. Mark?
Yeah, you know, I'm down here getting ready for family movie night, which they're going to have a movie, Shaun the Sheep, I believe that's what it is. We are we've been standing in the shade. There's a little bit of a breeze, and it's not that bad if you're in the shade, but it's when you're in the sun that it really starts to crank up as far as the heat is. And we just want to remind everybody, you got to drink lots of water. It's easy to forget to do, but it's very important since we're made of water. And hydrate. I mean, I've been drinking bottled water all day today to be prepared for this evening because I'm out here perspiring just like anybody else would because of the fact it's just the only way our body can cool off. So do that for sure. Make sure the kids are hydrated as well. We've got softball tournaments and games going on over here just to our right. So, you know, immediately you're thinking, you got to make sure everybody is prepared and try to stay cool as often as you can. I mean, certainly pools, lakes, that helps, but you got to keep the body hydrated, and that's the key. Now, as we look at temperatures across the area, temperatures are not necessarily extreme. We do have low to mid 90s, and that's really pretty hot for June, but not unusual for summer here in Alabama. But when you factor in the humidity, the dew points are up, that's when it really starts to feel so hot, and we've got numbers which are into the low 100s in many locations across the area. And across our area tomorrow, I expect that we will see some spots hit 105, maybe 108 for a high temperature as far as the heat index goes. The actual air temperature will be into the mid-90s, which is hot enough already. But all things considered, you have to remember that this moisture is really what's going to be the debilitating factor to our bodies because of the fact when we sweat, we just can't, the water won't evaporate that quickly because the atmosphere is already full of water with dew points so high. Sunday, very similar scenario. The only saving grace we would have would be a few isolated showers. Those will pop up as we get into the afternoon. Saturday, about a 20% coverage. So that means a number of us will be rain-free, and that means hot. So certainly I've issued the weather aware for Saturday as well as Sunday to make sure we cover all bases, that everybody is aware how hot it really will be, and certainly to be prepared for that. But across our area, we still have a few fair weather clouds. Those cumulus clouds pass from time to time, but plenty of sunshine is getting through. And with the high pressure which is sitting on top of us and has been for a number of days now, that really helps to squash any development upward with showers and thunderstorms. They have to build up to where the temperatures are cooler, and we just don't have that right now. All of the air is sinking, and it heats as it sinks, so that is helping to add to the heat along with the direct sunshine which we've had throughout much of the day. Now, across the southeast, we will see temperatures stay hot right into the first of next week, but there are some changes which will be happening, and that's encouraging. We'll start to see a bit more cloud cover as well as a better shot at showers and thunderstorms. Now, this high pressure which is over us will start to weaken just a bit, and hopefully by Monday we can get about a 50% coverage of rain and a few thunderstorms. The other side of the coin of that is when we have thunderstorms this time of the year, we have to be so careful of the lightning, and this is Lightning Preparedness Week here in Alabama. So it's just to remind everybody that when we have hundreds of strokes of lightning from the clouds to the ground during the particular thunderstorm in one area, they don't move much, so you have a lot of electricity that does pass through the area. That rain chance, it's going to carry right into the middle of next week. It'll be about 30 to 40% coverage, and we'll see temperatures starting to cool down just a bit. So guys, they haven't set up the projector screen yet, but as we get towards 7:30, 8 o'clock, things should be kicking off for a movie around here in Alabaster.